Today, guys, is going to be a very special day and a very special live today. You have Daniel Chou, Salvatore Castellano, and Nathan Bokers with you guys. We are the Wealth Warriors. We are coaches of the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire, and we are absolutely honored and thrilled today to be announcing and having the unboxing of not only the very first EIE Elite Income Empire $10,000 award, but one of our coaches and students, longtime friend, earned it in 38 days, guys. So pumped about this.
Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Today is a very special day, like Nate just mentioned, right? I see a lot of comments coming in. So if you're watching this live, drop hashtag live. If you're watching this on replay, right, drop hashtag replay. Okay, so today, like you guys see, Salvatore Castellano is our very first EIE 10K award winner. Salvatore, go ahead.
So basically, I'm Salvatore Castellano. I'm one of the Wealth Warriors student turned coach, and I'm very, very honored to be live here. As a matter of fact, when I got this award, I said the only condition for me to open this is in the Wealth Warriors group, because it's all about community, it's all about loyalty, it's all about support. I mean, this is how we grow as a team. We provide value to everyone.
So for those of you who don't know who Salvatore is and don't know his journey, he actually has another $10,000 award. He has it hidden, but he has another $10,000 award, guys. He earned that award with Wealth Warriors in the very first 86 days. There it is. Don't hide that. Be proud of that, bro. Put that up there. He earned that award in 86 days, his very first time online, guys. Now he's been able to do it again in 38 days, and he's going for $25,000 in 86 days. You're going for $25,000 in 86 days. Salvatore has been an inspiration to us all. If you guys don't know, Salvatore, he's dealt with hearing challenges and stuff, but doesn't let that be the excuses. That's why he doesn't talk about it a lot, because he doesn't let any challenges he faces hold him back. He heads them face on, and this is how he's getting amazing results.
For those of you, if you don't know what kind of challenge Salvatore has to push through in order to get this kind of results, right? Besides learning all the skills like everybody else, started from scratch, but Salvatore also lost his hearing, right? When he was born, and 2 years ago he lost his hearing completely, so he had to go through implant surgery in order for him to hear the sound that we are hearing every single day, right? So he had to push through abnormal challenge in order to be normal, if you will, like you and me, in order to do this business. So super proud of Salvatore, your journey. Hey, bring it on, share it with us, show that 10K award. Okay,
who's ready to see the unveiling of the 10K award? Salvatore unveiling this thing. Drop a friggin' 22 down below, guys.
A lot of people have reached out saying, how is this possible? You know, can I do this? And you know what? It's like what Daniel and Nate were saying. I mean, I literally lost all my hearing 2 years ago. I was born deaf, and when the doctors found out that I was deaf, they told my parents that I would never be able to talk. I had to learn sign language. So overcoming obstacles was something that I had to do, and it's really in the mindset of pushing through. So once you push through, you can accomplish anything. Now, losing my hearing completely 2 years ago, I could have very easily crawled in a corner and just cried underneath the rock and said, forget it, this is over. I can't hear, I can't walk, nauseous, headaches. But you know what? When you have a path, guidance, support, and you have the mindset to push through, you can get that. It's really a plan to make it forward. All right, enough talking. Let's open this.
Woo! Let's get that open. Even I'm excited for this. This is like Christmas morning for not only you, but for all of us.
All right, here we go.
And for those of you who don't know, and if you notice, Salvatore actually, for him, in order for him to hear us, he has a Bluetooth attached to his hearing aid inside of his ear, guys. That's the only way he can hear us. Right? And,
so see,
that to me is
here.
Yeah, see, guys? And that to me is a fucking inspiration, man. Like that just shows like he's not gonna let anything stop him, man. And he's gonna be hitting six figures. We'll be sending him a $100,000 award. I bet you in 6 months.
Nice.
Ooh, look it! I'm so excited.
Are we excited? Let's go.
Let's
pumped.
go.
Give us a friggin' 5 down below, guys. Give us a 5. Who's pumped? This is the very first Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire $10,000 award, and I am so pumped to see this thing. Me and Daniel will be ordering ours right afterwards.
I got to hang one over there. Yeah.
Woo! Guys.
You guys ready?
Let's
Let's
see
make
it.
this happen.
That's it.
There we go.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh! Congratulations, brother! Congratulations! Hold on, I gotta capture this freaking moment, brother. I gotta capture this moment. Definitely have to capture that moment.
I want to tell you something. Nathan and Daniel, if you will. This is emotional to me. It means a lot to me because, I truly didn't think I would come this far. This is my second 10K award with the Wealth Warriors, but this one means a lot to me because it's my first as an affiliate marketing coach, especially with the Wealth Warriors. I'm so proud to be part of this group, this community. I'm so honored to be working with Nathan, Daniel, Amanda, David, Ali, Nacho, Chris, and Kush, of course. It's just such a powerful community with the Wealth Warriors because we're all here to support each other. We're all here to grow. This means everything to me. Thank you very much for that.
We came a long way. I still remember, right? Nate, I think that was back in about May last year. I mean, the first time I met Salvatore, right? I only did 2 Zoom calls in that 6 months of time. One was with Salvatore, okay?
I was asking you on the Zoom call, I was asking you questions. Is this possible? How can we do this? And I told you, Daniel, if you show me how to do this, I know I'm going to put the work because I believed in myself. And look what happened, right? Look what happened. Because I believed in myself, because I put in the work, look what happened. You have those two, nothing else matters.
If I can backtrack to that very first call that you and I did, the reason why I jumped on that call, because I feel Salvatore really want to make this happen, but he is a little bit unsure. Not sure if this is for him, he can make it work initially. That's why, after talk, Salvatore decided to believe in himself, and look how far he has gone.
It's an absolute inspiration, man. Like, I can honestly say we're good friends. That's the difference, like, between us and a lot of other things is we're family here, man. And that truly, like, for me watching you opening that, I'm emotional, right? Not only that, like, me and Daniel, we were chasing these 2 years ago ourselves, like 18 months ago. We were chasing $10,000 awards ourselves, and we were pumped, right? Now we're being able to give them out. And to me, that's mind-blowing to me. To me, that is very emotional because me and Daniel and the coaches, because we're not going to take 100% on this one. We could not have done this without you guys, without our team, without our community. This program would not be possible, especially with you coaches, because you guys step up day in and day out to help our students out back to back. Thank you. You earned that one, buddy.
How is the quality of the plaque?
Bring it up. Show everybody it real close. Let's see that.
I just have to wipe it down a bit. You can tell that we are the warriors, that we are providing value. Look at this. We got this beautiful Wealth Warriors Elite Income. My name is sexy too, so that helps too. And,
your name's so long.
Congratulations. The quality is amazing. I love it. I'm going to hand this up. And then with the next award that's coming with Wealth Warriors, it's gonna make it happen. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah. Nate made that designer pull out his hair because Nate is very picky, back and forth.
I probably went, I think I had like 14 or 15 revisions on that award.
Beautiful. Yeah.
I'm so honored and pumped to see you guys hang that because there's going to be so many behind you that's going to be getting that award, but you're the very first.
I'm truly, truly honored to be hanging this. And I cannot wait to see many of our coaches and students have this as well. This is going to be so powerful. This is life-changing, game-changing, everything. Truly.
So for those of you who are joining us today, right, let's spend a couple minutes. If you guys have any questions for Salvatore, for Nate, or for myself, right, if you are thinking about to get started but you are not sure, feel free to drop your questions, okay? Let's spend the last couple of minutes together. And if you have any questions, just drop them down below.
Tuesday today, guys. I'm quite pumped. Guys, I'm thinking about actually upping Rise with the Wealth Warriors in our free group. So that's going to be a big thing happening. I'm going to try bumping that up to 2-3 times a day. I'm just thrilled, man. Now that you have that $10,000 award, me and Daniel got to start freaking designing the 25K and the 50K, and then the 100K, right? Amanda here is actually giving us some great ideas for our 50K and 100K awards, guys. Quite excited for those ones. They're not just going to be your plaques. I'm quite pumped to bring on the 50 and 100K awards once we find the actual designer who can design them properly. This is the very first 10K award, and we're going to start pumping them out. I know me and Daniel, we are going to be ordering ours, of course, right? Be ordering ours here, and we'll have ours probably next week, guys, and we'll be doing an opening, same thing, an unboxing next week as well, and then we'll be going out. All the coaches will start getting theirs. We're not about just promoting EIE. We're going to be giving those awards out to people who've earned outside of our program as well, right? So you don't even have to promote EIE to get that damn award. Just prove to us you used our methods, and we'll give you one of those awards happily, right?
We have quite some people on the waiting list right now, just waiting for the very first one to be open.
Created 13 awards already that I have to order.
Money going out fast.
Yeah, money's going out fast. Let's show everybody that award one more time before we leave, right? Everybody, I want everybody in this chat. There's 22 eyeballs in this chat. I want everybody to give a 33 to congratulate Salvatore on his $10,000 award in 38 days. Huge congrats. Hold on. Don't stay there. I want a photo of that, bro. I want a photo of that. Look at that. What a sexy word. Congrats, buddy. You're an inspiration. Liam, you're awesome, buddy.
Thank you. It was a condition. I would not open this without Wild Warriors. I mean, this is why it's all about loyalty. It's all about support. And I would rather wait and open it with you guys. All right, cool.
Congratulations. Thank you.
And Daniel, this is
Yeah.
getting sent to our friggin' editor because he's breaking this down, and I'm having that when he unveils that award. That's going all over the internet.
Definitely. Yes.
Go!
Awesome.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you everybody for tuning in. And just so you guys know, we do have Rise with the Wealth Warriors every single Thursday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, inside our Wealth Warriors community. So guys, go find Salvatore, go find one of our amazing students, join through their link, get inside our community, watch Rise with Wealth Warriors, because I'll be interviewing Robert, one of our top students who just earned himself his third high ticket sale, crossing over $5,000 since he joined us just in December, guys. He's never done affiliate marketing. Fourth one, guys. Sorry. Can't keep up to all these wins, guys. I got so many shout-outs to do inside the group, too. So, guys, I'll be doing that on there. We'll also be ramping up Rise with Wealth Warriors. I want to bring that at least 2 to 3 times a week. So, once me and Daniel get a little bit more organized, everything's going to get ramped up in this freaking group, guys. So, get inside. Happy to have you guys. Have an amazing freaking week, and we'll catch y'all later.